Did you know that many South Africans are encouraged to retire at age 55? And it's not because they are ready to retire, but it is because the system is under pressure. This all amounts to years of loss in income, rising living costs, and retirement savings that might just not stretch the whole way. And this is why extra long-term income planning is no longer just an option, it is essential. Deerpoint, a proudly South African company established in 2016 for South Africans by South Africans, has helped so many people not just to become debt-free, but also to retire comfortably. Not with get-rich-quick money, but asset income. With a smartphone, data or Wi-Fi, and just about an hour every single day, people are learning new skills how to earn an asset-based income and possible incentives like cash rewards, luxury holidays, and cars. But this is only achieved through real effort, time, and consistency. There are no guarantees and no empty promises, only opportunity. If retirement feels way too close to comfort, it's time to plan smarter. Comment info or pop your question in the comments and let's talk.